Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Alpha Legends Skin Trial Card. First, understand that trial cards offer temporary access to premium skins. You'll primarily acquire these through active participation in various in-game events. Always keep an eye on the Event tab for new opportunities. Sometimes, the in-game shop might also offer trial cards directly for a small fee or as part of a bundle. Let's dive into the details. Many trial cards are obtained through special in-game events. Navigate to the Events section from your main screen. These events often have specific tasks, like playing a certain number of matches or achieving particular objectives. Completing these tasks earns you event-specific currency. Once you have enough, visit the event's dedicated shop to redeem your Alpha Legend Skin Trial Card. These events refresh regularly, so stay vigilant. Beyond events, the in-game shop is another place to find trial cards. Periodically, the shop will feature trial cards for various skins, including Alpha's Legend Skin. These might be available for a small amount of in-game currency or diamonds. Also, keep an eye out for special bundles or promotions. Sometimes, a bundle might include a trial card as a bonus item, offering good value if you're already planning other purchases. To maximize your chances, make sure to log in daily. Many games offer attendance rewards that can include trial cards or currency. Joining an active guild can also provide access to exclusive guild events that might offer these rewards. Finally, always follow the official game announcements and social media channels. Developers often preview upcoming events and promotions, giving you a heads-up on when to expect new opportunities for Alpha's Legend Skin Trial Card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.